In today's video, I will walk you through how to view recent public trade history on Deribit. To begin, log into your Deribit account and navigate to the market you want to view. From the top menu bar, select the trading product you want to use. You can choose from options, futures, perpetuals, or spot, depending on the market you want to analyze. After selecting the product, choose the specific asset or contract ticker you want to view. For example, if you want to check activity for the Bitcoin perpetual contract, select the BTC perpetual market. Once that market is open, you can locate the recent public trade history for that specific contract. By default, the recent trades component is usually docked on the right-hand side of the interface or in the bottom right section of the standard layout. Look for a panel labeled Recent Trades or Trade History. In most layouts, this panel is positioned next to or directly beneath the main order book component. Once you've found the panel, you'll see a live stream of completed public trades. This information updates continuously in real time as transactions are matched in the selected market. Each row in the Recent Trades panel displays several pieces of information. The first is the time, which shows the exact timestamp when the trade was completed. Depending on the market and display, this may be shown down to the second or even the millisecond. Next is the price. This shows the exact execution price where that trade was filled. You'll also notice that the trade entries are color-coded. Green text or highlighting indicates a buy-driven trade, meaning a market order matched against the ask. Red text or highlighting indicates a sell-driven trade, meaning a market order matched against the bid. Another value displayed is the size of the trade. For inverse contracts, the size is shown as a USD value. For options or linear pairs, the size represents the amount of the underlying cryptocurrency involved in that completed trade. If you can't find the Recent Trades panel, it may have been removed or hidden from your layout. To restore it, click the Settings cogwheel in the top right corner of the main dashboard. Select Edit Layout. Then locate the Recent Trades module from the list of available components. Drag it back onto your layout grid and place it wherever you want it to appear. If you need access to deeper historical public trade data instead of only the most recent live trades shown on the screen, go to the Stats section in the Deribit footer. You can also download archived transaction history CSV logs directly from the Deribit data center. That's how you can view recent public trade history on Deribit. Thank you for watching.